Hello, I would like to introduce you to our NC-40 pellet stove. We will follow along as Anna goes through the process of cleaning and starting the stove. You will only need to do this once, maybe twice a week. First, clean the heat exchangers. Opening the side panels exposes the door latches. At this time, you could clean the glass if necessary. After opening the door, cleaning the fire pot is as simple as lifting it up and pouring the ashes into the ash pan below, tapping lightly to ensure the pot is clean. Then simply replace the pot and close the door. Remove the ash drawer and check to make sure it is not full. If it needs to be emptied, the ashes should only be put into a metal container. In this case, the ash pan is nearly empty, so we'll just replace it. Ensure that the ash drawer and fire doors are closed securely. The safety system will shut down the unit if the vacuum fails. A large hopper ensures long burn times, usually only requiring filling once or twice a day. A safety switch under the hopper lid prevents the auger from turning while the lid is open. To start, simply turn the thermostat on high and press the start button. It'll take care of itself from there. You will enjoy the peace of mind of knowing the unit's reliability, as well as its efficiency. Efficient enough to pass the EPA requirements with 30% tax credit. This means that you'll be saving money and the environment, all while heating your home. For thousands of years, people have enjoyed the warmth and comfort of a wood fire. However, most of that heat was wasted up the chimney. Add to that the hassle of preparing firewood and tending that fire every few hours. And then you see the beauty of the pellet stove, enabling us to use a renewable energy such as wood pellets as a heating fuel and using that fuel in a very efficient and user-friendly way without losing the relaxing beauty of the flame. The European styling has hints of Roman architecture, ensuring it is an attractive addition to any home, be it contemporary, classic, or country. Without the mess and time of firewood, enjoy the beauty and comfort of a wood fire. Thank you for joining me.